is for apple, B is for bear, C is for car that takes you everywhere, D is for dog and E is for eggs, F is for frog with funny jumping legs, G is for goldfish swimming in a tank, H is for hippo splashing in a swamp, I is for insect, a bug on the ground, J is for jelly beans, red, blue, and brown. Come along, sing the ABCs with me. Clap along to the alphabet beat. From A to Z with 1, 2, 3. Come along, sing the ABCs with me. K is for kitten and L is for light, M is for mouse hiding out of sight, N is for nest and O is for owl, P is for penguin waddling around, Q is for queen with a beautiful crown, R is for rabbit hopping up and down, S is for snail and T is for tree, U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. Come along, sing the ABCs with me. Clap along to the alphabet beat. From A to Z with 1, 2, 3. Come along, sing the ABCs with me. V is for violin playing a tune, W is for wall that's high as the moon, X is for X-ray showing your bone, Y is for yo-yo that spins on its own, Z is for zebra with stripes black and white. Come along.